Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Russia attacked Ukraine. The conflict stems from complex historical, political, and security factors. Russia perceives Ukraine's growing ties with Western alliances, particularly NATO, as a direct threat to its own security interests. This long-standing tension escalated due to differing geopolitical visions for the region. We'll explore these key drivers. A major factor is NATO expansion following the Cold War. Russia consistently expressed concerns about the alliance moving closer to its borders, viewing it as a direct challenge to its security. Moscow demanded guarantees that Ukraine would never join NATO, seeing such a move as an unacceptable encroachment on its sphere of influence. This geopolitical tension fueled the conflict.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Ukraine, as an independent nation, has increasingly sought to align itself with Western institutions, including the European Union and potentially NATO. This desire for a democratic European future was a sovereign choice for Ukraine. However, Russia viewed this as a betrayal and an attempt to pull Ukraine out of its historical and cultural orbit, leading to significant friction. Russia presented several justifications for its actions. These included claims of denazifying the Ukrainian government, which it labeled as extremist. Moscow also stated its intention to protect Russian-speaking populations in Ukraine, alleging they faced discrimination or even genocide. These narratives were used to frame the invasion as a necessary measure for security and humanitarian reasons.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.